y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over some warm-up and stretches that you can do for your calf muscle. Now let's get started. First, we're going to start off with a really basic warm-up just to kind of get your body loose and definitely start getting those calf muscles loose as well. So first, all I want you to do is just bounce nice and easy, just bounce up and down, just kind of stay loose, and this is going to start warming up your legs. I recommend doing this for about roughly 20 to 30 seconds. After this, start picking your knees up and then start doing a light jog in place. This is definitely going to start warming up those legs nice and good before we move in to our next thing. Now that we've gotten loosened up and warmed up, we're going to start doing a little bit of an exercise. Very simple, you're just going to do calf raises. So just come up nice and easy, and from here, you're going to start feeling a nice little burn in your calf muscle, and this is a really good exercise to help strengthen that calf muscle as well. I recommend doing this for probably about 20 reps, do about 3 sets, and you'll be nice and warmed up and ready to go. Now let's get into a stretch. So what I want you to do is go over to a wall. All you're going to do is place your hands on the wall. The leg that's in front, you're going to bend that knee. The leg that's in back, you're going to keep it straight. And from here, all I want you to do is lean your body forward towards the wall, and you're going to feel a nice stretch in this calf muscle that's in the back all the way down to your Achilles. So do this, hold this stretch for a good, I would say about 20 to 30 seconds. And then from there, you're just going to switch. This leg goes straight, this leg's going to be bent. Lean your weight forward, that way you feel the stretch all the way down the back of your calf. Now this last stretch is very simple. All you're going to do is place your foot up against the wall just like this. Have your hands against the wall, and from here you need to push your body towards the wall. So what I usually do, I kind of push off my back foot, push myself towards the wall. From here, you're going to feel a really good stretch right in this calf muscle. I feel it right here. So just push against the wall till you feel a nice stretch. Hold this position again for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then you're just going to switch. Place your other foot up against the wall and then push yourself towards the wall. You'll feel a nice stretch in that calf muscle. If you want to see more stretching videos, I'm going to link my playlist in the description box down below. Definitely go check it out if you haven't seen my other videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.